Today's video is specially made for laundry sink faucet owners. I've researched, compared, and tested to bring you the top 3 best faucets for laundry sinks available on the market right now. This list is based on price, build quality, durability, brand reputation, performance, and real user feedback. And for your convenience, I've added the buying links in the description, so you can check each faucet directly on Amazon. Let's jump right into the top picks. Number 1, Bean Wall Mount Utility Laundry Faucet. At number 3, we have the Bean 4-inch center wall mount utility faucet, a reliable and cost-effective pick for both home and commercial laundry areas. Built from 304 stainless steel with a polished chrome finish, it resists rust and delivers a clean, modern look. Key features: heavy checkmark 2 lever handles with ceramic disc cartridges for smooth control. Heavy checkmark strong 1.19 GPM flow rate, ideal for heavy-duty cleaning. Heavy checkmark a 12-inch swivel spout for excellent reach and sink coverage. Installation is straightforward, and users appreciate its long-term durability and stability. With an impressive 9.4 out of 10 rating, it's an excellent choice for those wanting performance without overspending. Number 2, WE Life Utility Laundry Sink Faucet. Next up is the WE Life Utility Faucet, a great blend of affordability, functionality, and modern style. This faucet features a lightweight lead-free ABS plastic body, available in chrome or brushed nickel. Even though it's light, it offers solid everyday performance. What makes it special? Heavy checkmark dual handles for smooth hot/cold adjustment. Heavy checkmark a 28-inch pull-out sprayer with both stream and spray modes. Heavy checkmark perfect for washing pets, cleaning large items, or filling buckets. Installation is quick and tool-free with a standard 3-hole setup. It scores 9.0 out of 10, offering great value for routine utility use. Some users note occasional drips after long-term use due to the plastic build, but overall it remains a strong budget-friendly performer. Number 3, Aolami Utility Laundry Sink Faucet. The Aolami Utility Faucet is widely regarded as one of the best choices for laundry and utility rooms thanks to its smart design and durable construction. Made from sturdy materials and available in brushed nickel or matte black, it features heavy checkmark 2 smooth turn lever handles, heavy checkmark a powerful 1.19 GPM water flow, perfect for tough cleaning jobs, heavy checkmark a 360 degrees swivel spout with a 3/4 inch threaded end, making it super easy to attach hoses for outdoor or utility tasks. It installs quickly on 4-inch centers and includes all mounting hardware. Reviewers love its solid feel and strong performance, with many praising the excellent water pressure. Scoring 9.9 out of 10 in expert roundups, it delivers top-tier value and reliability. That wraps up today's list of the best laundry sink faucets. All product links are in the description below. Feel free to check them out on Amazon and choose the one that best suits your needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.